Hi, welcome to Lecture 4 at Webull Academy. In this video, we will be looking at how to compare two different stocks. This can be done in two different ways on Webull. The first is by overlaying two stocks on the same chart, or by pulling up the two stocks in a side-by-side chart. Comparing stocks can be useful before investing, as it lets you assess how your potential investment compares with other stocks in the industry, sector, and even the broad market. We'll first take a look at how to compare two stocks overlaid in the same chart. Then we'll get into comparing two stocks in the side-by-side chart. Alright, let's get started. There are two types of comparisons you can make when comparing different charts. A comparison between a stock and an index, or a comparison between two stocks from the same industry. Webull allows two types of in-app comparisons. The first allows you to compare up to 3 different tickers on the same chart. The second one is dual charts, which allows you to compare two ticker charts side by side. First, we're going to be going over how to compare different tickers in one chart. First, go to the stock page of your choice, then tap More at the bottom right of the screen. Finally, tap on Compare. Select up to 2 stocks that you would like to compare and tap Compare. You can select between different time frames, indicators, and chart types. Now you should see multiple stocks overlaid on the same chart. Next, we're going to be going over how to compare two different charts. Some traders prefer the dual chart function for a cleaner comparison between two stocks. To access these two chart comparisons, let's start by going to the stock of your choice, and like before, tap on More, except this time select Dual Charts. Search up a stock symbol that you would like to compare to your current stock. Select between different time frames, indicators, and charts.